Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, July 15. It is my birthday and we have lots going on today. My son actually dropped off my little ones to go to a birthday party. First they're doing the pool and then a birthday party, and on the way back he stopped at Fred Meyer at Kroger. And this haul is done by my 17-year-old son. He did really good. So he spent $120.53. But he also got 2 Amazon gift cards for $100 each. So those are 4 gifts. So those will come out of the total. So no, $320.80. So $120.80 for food. And I did teach my kids how to look for markdowns, and they did a good job. My daughter Emma went to Safeway in the morning and got some things, but she already put everything away. It was just a small haul of around $50. Anyway, let's get into these. These were on digital coupon for 2 something, so he grabbed 3. And then I did tell him to pick up the peaches and nectarines, 5 pounds. They were 99 cents each. Then the challenge butter was how much were they, David? Like $2.70 or something like that?
For the butter?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think $2.70 each with digital coupons. So he grabbed 5. He also got some that are it's like more spreadable with olive oil for like toast. And then the marinara sauce was $1.19 with coupon. The strawberries were $2.50 each. He got 2. And then he found markdown lettuce for $2.29, and that's from Mocha. And then he found pork tenderloin, buy one, get one free. And he did a good job because he even got them at the same price. So they were exactly $9.83 for both. He found some beef stir fries for $4.46, some ribs for $11.23, and then some ground pork for $2.99, and then Beyond breakfast sausage for $2.99. He grabbed 3 of those. And then the milk was 99 cents for half a gallon, so he grabbed that. And then he got 9 Italian sausages. Some were $2.99, $2.49, just all clearance. He grabbed them all because he eats them every day. And then Impossible sausage patties for $3.29. So I feel like he got a good amount of meat and food for $120. And I'm very proud of him. Good job, David. Great haul. He had him bag it up. He brought it. He set it up on the table, and all I have to do is just make the video. And now him and Emma are going to put everything away. So it's great having older kids. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Kroger haul. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.